Welcome to my channel. My name is Kat and I am a huge mess today. I'm a huge mess. Well, I usually am, but today especially, I'm missing half of my nails. I'm exhausted. I probably have lipstick on my teeth, but hey, what do you do? I just got back from a work trip. I was doing hail estimates on vehicles, about 4 hours from here, 12 hours a day. I got home at midnight last night. There's a fly in here. But it's IPSY day, my friends, and I'm so excited. Now, I did peek at some things. Just wait. I remember telling you guys last month that IPSY gives you a choice. It's usually the second of every month, second or third, and you get to pick 3 things. You do have to pay for them. They're usually $12 each. There's a couple of little tester things you can get for $3. But since I knew what I was going to get, I did open it up. Not open the bag, just the things that I got. I got for $12 Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer. By IT Cosmetics. Here is the packaging. Now, I have only tried one thing by IT Cosmetics. I bought a concealer, and it was expensive as fuck. But so incredible. Love it. Still have some of it left. This is the foundation. IT Cosmetics is a really good brand. So for $12, I was like, yes fucking please. The other thing that I got was from ColourPop. Yes! It's called the Lit Bundle. There we go. It comes with Ultra Stain Lip called Wig, I See You Ultra Gloss, and Duke's Lippy Pencil. I was a wee bit confused at first. No fucking surprise there. So here's the lip gloss, the lip stain, and there's the color of the lip pencil. I'm wearing all 3 right now. I put them on hours ago though, so it might have worn off. This to me looks like it would be a very nice red. And I don't know on camera, in real life, it's more of a burgundy color. I really like it. It gets everywhere though. Everywhere. Not on my face, but on everything. I've had drinks and it's transferring everywhere. That's fine. The next one was also $12 and I was a little bit disappointed. Let's roll back for a second. So I got the, what the hell is this called? Touch of Soul or Cocoa Banana Cream, this guy. I got this in my first BoxyCharm ever back in January. Ran out of that, got this new container. So for $12, I thought I was getting this one that usually retails for $25. I got this one. Whatever. I still absolutely love this stuff. It's amazing, but I mean, I was expecting... Oh, it just smells so fucking good. Oh, and it's so moisturizing. Wow. It is so moisturizing, it's not even funny. So those are the 3 things that I purchased myself from IPSY. So let's get into the bag, okay? Okay, first thing we've got is a brush. I think she's got some cute little gems on her there. I can't really see who this is by. Yeah, I'll take a brush all day long. Oh, those bags, girl. Okay. Oh, my bag came... not cute. Okay. There is a card in here, but I don't want to look at it yet. This is in French. Ultra Lasting Formula Liquid Eyeliner. Yes! I was just thinking to myself earlier today that I do need a new eyeliner because I bought my Kat Von D one that I normally buy, and I don't know if it's a defective one or if they changed the formula, but it is shit. It's shit. Don't like it. That fly is not welcome on this channel, okay? Pair of lips on it, though. That's a pair of lips. Okay, whatever. Maybe it's just their thing. Oh, hello. I'm excited about this. Yes, please. Okay. Clay mask. I have so many of these now. Oh, I didn't even show you. Sorry. I absolutely do not need another one of these. So, we have one more thing. Oh, no, we have two things. Oh, what's this little thing? Confidence in a gel lotion. Huh? Oil-free for all skin types. Hydro-plumping, skin-transferring, weightless moisturizer. Ooh, it's by IT Cosmetics, so she must be good, but I mean... Hi, I'd like to try it once only. Thank you. Does it smell like anything? I don't know, because I have that other stuff on me. I don't know. Not really. It doesn't really... It smells like a hospital, actually. What? That's cool, but I mean... This itty bitty bitty. Alright, one last thing, my friends. This is by Estate Eye Shade, it says. Okay. Any other information you'd like to give me? Nope, nothing. Alright. I just broke my nail. Good for you, cat. Good for you. This is in the shade Pipe. Oh, okay. How do you get in here? Let's give it a go. Oh, that's incredible. There she is. It's super pretty. This is my only issue is that I have 7,000 palettes with this shade in it. So for me to have a loose eyeshadow like this, I tend to not use them as much, but it's super pretty. So that was my IPSY bag this month. I think that it was just okay. I'm absolutely pumped for the IT Cosmetics foundation. But again, I paid for that myself. It would not have come in my IPSY Glam Bag. Besides that, you know, I feel like you kind of crapped out a bit this month. Wow. I love getting a new brush. That's cool. The eyeliner, cool. I love IT Cosmetics, but guys. Yeah. And the purifying mask, pore filling, whatever the hell it does. I have 1,000 of those, so I'm not really stoked about it. But I mean, overall, not too terrible. Let me know what you guys thought of this month's IPSY bag. And I will check you on the next one because I need to do my nails. And I absolutely don't want to, but I can't look like this. I can't look like this. Anyways, thanks so much, guys. I will check you on the next one. Bye!